Hey guys, it's Max from Jack Pine here again to talk about another WMS tip. Today, I wanted to talk about waving and getting work to the floor. Ultimately, no matter what vertical, what industry, what business you're in, every distribution center needs to get stuff out the door. The key to doing that is making sure that the right work is released to your selectors so that they can pick the hot orders or the air freight or the certain customers with a pickup time and make sure that what needs to get selected next bubbles up to the top and no decisions need to be made by the end user on what they need to be doing next. The Infios Waving tool, Advantage Fulfillment Application, uses a robust set of order profiles in order to group like orders together and allow your waivers to build a wave that they can release to the floor of orders that make sense. Some of these profiles are going to allow you to group orders by delivery route or by customers, maybe by delivery zip code or order priority, but they all need to be built in a way that you filter orders together inside the system. But if I want to add a new profile, I need to click on the add profile and I'm confronted with a box of code that I need to write in order to filter out which types of orders and order criteria I want to return back to the waving team. If I'm a team lead on the waving team, I don't necessarily know how to write the SQL statements and what the columns and tables behind the scenes in the Infios application mean in order for me to put these together accurately. Here, we had to go into the specific order tables, look up specific ship date fields, pass in specific parameters, and these are all things that your end user isn't going to know what or how to do. At Jack Pine, we have certified Infios and SQL developers that can work with you to build these rules. We want to understand what criteria your business needs in order to get stuff to the floor. If you're a 3PL and you need to release by customer, if you're an e-commerce and you have SLA or cutoff dates for certain carrier service levels, if you're a grocery distributor and we need to be planning our waves around routes, we can help you build those with our understanding of the system from our experience as a Kerber and Infios partner. Getting the right order profiles together to build efficient waves is critical for your operation to be running at peak efficiency in order to get the work that you need to your selectors without them having to make too many decisions or manual entries into their devices when they start selection. It's going to increase your selection speed because you're grouping orders by items for selection or single lines. And it's also going to increase your deliveries because you're going to be making more complete loads faster. At Jack Pine, we speed up what slows you down. If you want to learn more, give me a call.